your hands and your fingers are most sensitive to feeling energy. Why? As you know, we have most nerves in our fingertips, right? Our hands can move very delicately and we can feel even textures. Even you don't look into your purse, you grab for something in the dark, you know exactly what you're touching, right? So our hands are most sensitive to feeling energy. That's why we start with our hands. So for that, please, we will sensitize our fingers. So tap your fingertips together very actively. More like, look at me. Yeah, great. Yeah, good. Really like, so you can hear really like a tapping. Good. Okay. Now tap this way. Good. Now your wrists. Good. And now in between your fingers, really stimulate. Very good. Now rub. Very briskly. And then next, I want you to close your eyes. Feel the warmth on your hands. Can you feel it?
Yes.
Yes, very good. Now slowly stop your movement and now detach your hands away, palms from each other. Just leave a little space. Now detach your upper arms from your torso to the front. Give some space. Good. Have your hands down a little bit more in front of your chest. Now feel the sensation on your palms. Tune into feeling the sensation on your palms. We say where your mind goes, energy follows. Do you have some warmth and tingling sensation, vibration? Very good. That's the key energy. And now you're going to move your hands away from each other. But very slowly, very slowly. So there's energy gathered between your hands that is now expanding outward. It's almost like an energy ball. Energy ball is moving out. Yeah, you feel it. You're very sensitive. Very good. Very good. From here, now make your energy ball smaller between your hands. Let your palms, very slowly, take your time. Let your hands come closer. And there might be some resistance even. Right, very good. That's the magnetic feeling from the key energy. So anyways, come a little closer. Your energy was getting stronger, brighter. And then again from here, now expand, let the energy expand. That is related to your mind. Your mind directs the energy. Mind creates energy. Now expand your ball. Make it bigger. My energy ball is expanding more. More. There's no end for the key energy to expand. Very good. As you move out, your heart chakra is opening. Very good. Now slowly allow your hands to come closer again. Take your time. First you have the resistance, but shift your mind and say, my energy ball is getting smaller, brighter, stronger. As you come in, this beautiful energy that you have on your hands now is actually delivered to your heart chakra. Now make your energy ball smaller even. Bright, beautiful energy ball of yours. And now take this ball, very slowly put it into your chest. Let your palms face your chest. Now bring this energy ball of yours into your chest, center of your chest. Center of your chest. Nurture your heart chakra with this bright healing energy. Feel the soft warmth in your chest now. You feel nurtured. Breathe comfortably in and out. Your true self in your heart chakra is responding. Do you feel some difference in your chest? Very good. Now slide your hands down to your abdomen, lower abdomen. Your energy ball is moving down to your second chakra, lower abdomen, 2 inches below your navel. Bring the energy ball down. This is your core, your power center, lower energy center. Make it warm, abundant. So you can be vital, centered, grounded, and peaceful. Now breathe in deeply and smile out. Again, breathe in deeply. Bigger smile out. Very good. Gently open your eyes.